my name is René de Kooning from the Institute for Personal Development and Body Language in London in the United Kingdom. Now, I have the opportunity to share my knowledge in terms of business, and the title of the webinar that we are organizing is Innovate Your Business or Die. Now, I've been following a lot of businesses all over the planet for the last 25 years, and I had the opportunity to cooperate with Propel Guru. Propel Guru is also a very innovative company. Now, what we're going to do is show you how to innovate your business or die. And in business, we all get born, and then we become a teenager, and then we become a young adult, and from a young adult we go to the zone of maximization where everything is running very well, and then we go to the midlife, and from midlife we go to aging, and we finally die. Now, they understood that at Apple as well. Apple was born in 1976. They became a teenager in 1985. In 1990, they were at their zone of maximization, and in 1997, they went through their midlife crisis. In 1998, ladies and gentlemen, the first iMac was born. It went through iPod, iPhone, iPad, and they created a whole new range of products, and it was either innovate or die. I invite you to the webinar that we created together with Propel Guru, and I invite you, somewhere in this text you'll find the link. Click on the link, join us, and look forward how to innovate your business. I look forward to share with you. Thank you.